Namaskar. Fermented food is a tradition in different cultures, and in our India, throughout India, this food is eaten very regularly. In India, we have so many varieties of fermented food like dahi, kanji, dhokla, idlis, dosas, and many more. Fermentation is not about preserving food. It is in fact a natural process which enhances the nutritional value of what we eat. So let's find out how this food could be beneficial for your health. First, let's talk about gut health. The main ingredient here is probiotic or live microorganism. This you can find abundantly in fermented food like dahi, yogurt, curd. Research has also shown that this probiotic play a role in maintaining a balance of our gut. In gut, we have microbiome. Microbiome is the biggest community of various types of bacteria in your digestive tract. A balanced gut microbiome is essential for efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. When you consume fermented food, you introduce beneficial bacteria that helps maintain this balance. This reduces issues like bloating and constipation. Next, let's consider your immune system. It may surprise you to know that 70% of your immune cells are found in gut. The probiotic in fermented food helps to regulate and strengthen the immune response. This probiotic can enhance the production of antibodies and stimulate your immune cells such as natural killer cell. This immune boost helps your body fight infection and keep you healthy throughout the year. But the benefit of fermented food are not just for your body, it also supports your mental health. There is a well-established connection between the gut and the brain, known as a gut-brain axis. This connection is connected through your vagus nerve, the immune system, and even your hormonal path. Studies have also shown that a healthy gut microbiome can actually help your brain's function. It reduces the symptom of anxiety and depression. By consuming fermented food, you are supporting this gut-brain axis, which can lead to better mood and clearer thinking. Now let's talk about oral health. Your mouth, just like your gut, is a home to varieties of bacteria. Some of these are harmful, leading to issues like cavities and gum disease. The probiotic in fermented food can stop the growth of these harmful bacteria. This is due to the production of lactic acid and other antimicrobial substance during the fermentation process. So you see, as a result of this, consuming fermented food can contribute to healthier teeth and gums by keeping the oral microbiome balanced. Lastly, we can discuss the effect of fermented food on your sleep quality. The gut microbiome plays a role in the secretion of the hormone called serotonin. This is a happy hormone that regulates mood and sleep. A healthy gut supported by probiotic can lead to increased serotonin production. This improves your sleep pattern and helps in managing insomnia. So when you include fermented food in your diet, you are not only nourishing your gut, but also promoting good sleep because of the regulation of serotonin in our body. So how can you include fermented food into your diet? Here I will give you some tips. First thing is to find out which fermented food agrees with your Ayurvedic doshas. You should know your dosha type and then eat food. For example, if one has pitta dosh, then sour food can increase the pitta dosh. It has a tendency to create heat and irritation in one's body. So pitta type can eat fermented food, but in moderation. If they have yogurt, it should be sweetened and it should have even mint like herb into it. If you are not used to fermented food, don't eat too much of them at once because it can disturb your digestive system. Instead, you can go slow. Eat little. Eat any fermented food during your main meal time. Food should be eaten only when you are hungry, because that's the time your digestive fire, Jacharagni, is strong, Pradipta. In this way, you will be able to digest all this very properly. So, the next time you prepare your main meal, consider including some fermented food and experience their many benefits for your body and mind. Take care. Namaskar.